Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to design a wavy line and Waterjet pattern floor quickly? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Waveline Floor Design. Select the floor and click to enter Floor Editor. In the Floor Editor page, click Tiles on the left sidebar. Then choose appropriate materials and place them on the floor. Select the floor and adjust the tile size via the left sidebar. Once adjusted, click to enter the Edit Paving page. Select the floor and click on The whole wave is wired in the floating window. In the pop-up, select Direction and then click Confirm. You can also click on the Common Accessories in the left sidebar. Select the wavy line at the top. Then select the desired style to place on the floor. Select the wavy line and change the type to No Corner Tile via the left sidebar. In the Parameters section, you can adjust wavy line width via side brick width. You can also directly set it through the floating window's width input box. Adjust the settings. Select the wavy line. Add The whole wave is wired again. Select the newly added wavy line. Adjust the type to No Corner Tile in the left sidebar. Then modify side brick width and edge brick offset in the Parameters section as needed. Part 2. Waterjet Pattern Floor Design. Select the model catalogue from the left sidebar. Click Waterjet Pattern, then choose the desired style and place it in the target location. Select the Waterjet pattern. Adjust the dimensions via the left panel. Then center the Waterjet pattern. Once adjusted, click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. On the Edit Paving page, click Exit with Save once again. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory rendering. That's all. Thanks for watching.